It's snowing again. It's snowing really hard. People are trying to walk through it all. It's crazy and it's windy, but it's really cool because it's like a snowstorm. Oh my God. Lots of snow falling down. Oh my gosh, it's snowing. Look at that. Wow, we're definitely going to have a white Christmas, isn't that for sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually sticking to the ground this time, see?
Yep. Wow, this is a major snow.
Oh, I love it.
Go up. Let's go up and see the street.
It's covered in snow.
Oh my God, it is so snowy. Look at that. It's like a total white. Look down that way, Aunt. Come on this way, babe. Go there, sweetheart. Oh my God, come back, come back. Hurry. Aunt, hurry. Can you believe it?
I can't get my hat back on.
Wow. Unbelievable.
It's so cool. Oh my God. Ooh.
That's the Edinburgh snowstorm on Saturday, December 19th. Let's go back inside.